Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports. I'm Spencer Darlington. The West Indies women are on the brink of group stage elimination from the T20 World Cup in South Africa, following a 6-wicket defeat to 2020 runners-up India in Newlands, Cape Town today. The West Indies posted a below-par 118 for 6 after electing to bat in consecutive matches. Stefanie Taylor, opening the innings, top scored with 42, while Shemaine Campbell contributed 30. The pair added 73 runs for the second wicket after captain Hayley Matthews made 2. Jamaican Shadeen Nation, 21 not out, and Shabika Gajnabi, 15, were the next best scorers. Deepti Sharma claimed 3 for 15 and became the first Indian woman to take 100 T20 wickets. In their chase, India recovered from 35 for 2 in the 5th over to stroll home at 119 for 4 with 11 balls to spare. Risha Ghosh led the way for the Indians with 44 not out, along with 33 from Harmanpreet Kaur. Shafali Verma made 28 against 2 for 14 from Karishma Ramharak. Jamaican Chanel Henry and Captain Matthews picked up the other wickets as the Windies suffered an 8th straight defeat to India and a 15th consecutive in T20s. The Caribbean women take on Ireland on Friday and must win along with the clash against Pakistan on Sunday to keep their slim chances of qualifying alive. India joined England on 4 points at the top of the table with 2 wins from as many games, with 2 group games remaining for them. The top 2 teams qualify from the group that also involves Pakistan and Ireland, who are set to play later this afternoon. Jamaica's under-17 footballers are now second in Group C of their CONCACAF Championship, despite surrendering a 1-0 lead to be beaten 2-1 by Guadeloupe on Tuesday evening in Guatemala. The young reggae boys took the lead through Ronaldo Barrett in the 41st minute. However, the Jamaicans handed Guadeloupe the advantage in numbers when Nashon Bolt Barrett picked up his second caution of the game for rough play. It would prove to be Jamaica's downfall, as in the 76th minute, Guadeloupe pulled level, William Jacques making it 1-1. And with a minute to go in regulation time, Ilan Maloza shocked the Jamaicans as he fired home the winner for Guadeloupe's first ever win at the group stage. Head coach Meron Gordon reflected on the encounter.
You know, we started the game, tentatively. I thought we could have, won the game from first half. We got some easy chances and we didn't capitalize. And we got some half chances that we could, turn into full chances. But such is the game. That second yellow card to Bolt, though, in the second half, it was horrible for us. It was a tough call by the referee for a second yellow there, because the linesman was calling him to tell him that, the next player was tugging him, but he just ran over with his yellow card.
Jamaica will next be in action on Thursday when they play Costa Rica, who swamped Cuba 4-0 also on Tuesday. A win or draw will seal the young reggae boys' spot in the round of 16, while a narrow defeat could also see them advancing as the third-placed team should Guadeloupe get the better of the winless Cuba. And that's it for the Midday Sports Report. I'm Spencer Darlington. Join us again this evening for Primetime Sports Wednesday. Pleasant viewing.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.